Hellobit Review: Legit or a Scam Crypto Exchange? So Hellobit poses as a cryptocurrency exchange offering passive trading income via automated bots or signals. It promises high returns, flashy dashboards, and low fees, often promoted via social channels, Telegram, or even dating apps. Now let's talk about the pros and cons of it. So for the pros, it offers a sleek website design, which may appear convincing to newcomers. It also has an initial small withdrawals often processed, and they uses official sounding registrations. The cons is though, they have completely unregulated licensing, so it's not supported and there's no license for the authorities. They also have a frequent domain change, so there's clearly a scam going on. And they have a lack of transparency. They even have high pressure tactics and numerous scam registry flags, and then they also have a widespread user reports. So overall, there's no credible official website providing the transparency of the ownership, and it's not a legitimate crypto exchange. It's a scam built on deceptive marketing, domain hopping, and pressure tactics.